Welcome to the Mill Brook Railroad. It is a night track session right now. We're working on replacing ties here up by the engine house. So I changed these ties here earlier. That was another video. And went through and changed these ties here because I was stressed over something at my day job. And so we came out here and started replacing ties. And apparently I got Eric stressed out too, because he started replacing ties with me. Either that or he just likes replacing ties, but anyway. Oh.
I haven't unscrewed that yet, by the way.
Oh. I guess we got to replace that one too. More than I thought. Here, I've got two extras. Here, I think you're going to need these.
I think I'm going to need ballast in the morning.
Oh, we'll definitely need ballast.
I take it these older ties are pressure treated since they still look like ties?
Some of them are pressure treated. Some of them are creosoted. That's a creosoted tie.
Yeah, I think all three of those are. They're all greenish.
Two of them are creosoted actually, and the longer one is
That's the really green one.
that one is pressure treated, but it's
Seen better days.
yeah, it's seen better days. And even pressure treated ties meet their limit when you've got ballast that's been so infiltrated as this has. I mean, this has been the end of the line for a long time, so it's been a very low priority. And now it's now that we've extended it up through there, all of a sudden there's more riding on this track than ever has been. Especially since this is the path to the ballast pile.
Oh, yeah.
Now you'll probably notice there's this little flake of see if I can zoom in on that. There's this little flake of aluminum just curled off of the head of the rail, and that's due to wear. It's also mushroomed over pretty good. So, yeah, we're dealing with rail that's pretty badly beat up. From this side.
There, I got it zoomed in on it. It's that orangish thing there that's rust colored.
Yeah. I can't get another tie in here until I get rid of this.
It looks like a
Piece of a post. Piece of a bed rail or something.
Ooh, don't do that to yourself.
Whoops.
Queen ant.
Whatever that was, it ain't anymore. Okay, got rid of that. So I gotta dig this thing out, whatever it is. We don't need it.
I wonder if that was your end of track marker at some point.
Maybe.
Oh.
It wants to come out.
It's moving.
No, it's closer to 9:30.
You got it shimmying pretty good. What is it hitting?
Give me that tamping rod over there.
Yes.
Thank you.
I just realized I'm also the spotlight for the camera.
Yeah.
Wow, that is pretty deep down in there.
Sure is.
Whatever that is, looks like it's been there for quite a while.
It has. I don't think I put this here, whatever it is.
Oh. Wow. That's finding all of the ballast that was. Oh my goodness.
Wow. Can't get a grip on it with the track here.
Oh. Well, we were going to lift that tomorrow anyways.
Yep. Wow. Wow.
It doesn't even look like a fence post anymore.
You know what? I can't get it out. I'll put it back in. Oh, man. Hit pause on that. Go ahead and answer the phone. That one and that one right there. Even without power tools, the ballast is doing its job, gripping into the tie. Oh, even removing it without power tools. But anyway,
Anyway, you could toss me the fork.
as soon as I'm done with it, yeah.
Okay.
I've got one more up here, and then I will have removed all the bad ties. And I guess we might as well just throw them in.
Shoot, this one I can get out from under the track without the fork.
Ah, good.
Well, would be for if the ballast didn't just dig into it.
Well, yeah. Ballast is doing its job, digging into the ties.
Yeah.
And when the ties aren't doing their job anymore, the ballast is doing pretty good. That's why I like 3/4 ballast. Big enough to do the job.
Small enough to get a buttload of it in a car.
Well, small enough to jam between these ties, and big enough to not just flow out.
And just jagged enough to let all the water in and out.
Let the water flow through.
Yep.
We're getting there. Alright, so I think I got them all. New screws anyway, and new ties, and the new ties have screws in them, so that part's good. Yeah, so that looks like a good night's work. See, got another. That narrow tie looks like it needs to be replaced, but we'll deal with that another time. There's enough of it still there that we can do what we got to do without it falling out. So, more work to be done later on this. I can smell that the skunk is out, so to avoid his ode to stink, I shall pick up and head in for the night. So, thanks for watching tonight's video. Hit the thumbs up button. All the YouTube stuff. Patreon.com/Mill Brook Railroad. The paid members on Patreon get early access to videos and other exclusive content. So, thanks for watching.